Welcome to Fashionista and salam to all. Here is a Japanese secret to burn all the fat from your waist, back and thighs. Yes, Japanese water. Japanese water is to burn all the fat from your waist, back and thighs. This is a safe and fast fat burning home remedy that you can start adding to your weight loss diet today. Using this recipe will not only help you lose weight but also keep you healthy as well. The internet is filled with all kinds of diets, recipes and remedies for weight loss, and it is possible that you have tried a few of them yourself already. But the following recipe actually delivers on its promises. Before we get into the many health benefits of this recipe, let's just cover the ingredients and the preparation method first. 3 simple ingredients. First is 1.5 liter of water. Second is thinly sliced ginger, 1 medium sized. And third is half a lemon juice. Preparation method is first boil the water in a clean pot. Add the slices of ginger and let it simmer on low heat until the ginger is soft. Put off the heat and let the mixture cool. Mix in your lemon juice and drink this mixture 3 times daily, preferably 30 minutes before meals. Now the health benefits of this Japanese water. First of all is it lowers the blood pressure. Drinking ginger water on a regular basis will help relieve high blood pressure and also prevent the formation of blood clots, which can be fatal. Antioxidants. The second benefit of ginger water is that the ginger contains a variety of antioxidants which can help neutralize free radicals in the body. These compounds are often the main source of serious health issues. Third is it lowers the cholesterol level. This mixture will regulate your cholesterol levels and prevent a variety of heart problems. You can also get rid of the flu quickly using this remedy. This water is anti-inflammatory. This remedy contains powerful anti-inflammatory properties which help relieve arthritis pain. It improves circulation. Ginger is known to help boost your blood circulation because it contains iron and zinc. Both minerals can improve your blood flow. Digestion. Drinking ginger water regularly will boost your digestion and nutrient absorption by stimulating the release of bile in your stomach. It strengthens the immune system. This drink helps strengthen the immune system and help your body fight against various infections. Viewers, there you have it, one of the best Japanese water to burn all the fat from your waist, back and thighs. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and family and press the bell icon to get the notification of latest videos. Take care.